Daksh, homework first bit I gave as 1, 2 by 3 added to 2, 1 by 5.
Yes,
Daksh, these are mixed numbers, Daksh. First step, mixed converted to improper. Yes, mixed converted to improper. So that 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 2, this you have to multiply, and whatever the product you are getting, that you have to add with your numerator. So it's nothing but 5 by
5 by 3.
Very good. Then it's 5 twos are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11.
11 by 5.
Very good. So these are improper. Improper again you need, or else we will go with unlike. These are unlike, right?
Yes.
Unlike what you should do, no, you have to, we are doing operations only unlike, we are unable to do. So you need to convert unlike as a like fraction, so that you need to find LCM of denominators. What
Yes.
is LCM of 3 and 5, Daksh?
Ma'am, the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15.
Very good. Why it is 15, Nana?
Ma'am, because
Both
ma'am,
are prime numbers?
yes, ma'am.
No
Both are prime numbers. So we can just multiply them.
Yeah. No prime number is repeated here. So you just directly multiply the numbers. You will get a LCM as 15. So now your first denominator is how much, Daksh?
Ma'am, my first denominator, ma'am, is 3. So 3, 5 is 15.
Very good. So you need to multiply with 5 both sides, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The same way go to second fraction. What is second fraction, Daksh?
Ma'am, 11 by 5. So ma'am, 5 to 3 is 15.
Very good. So you need to multiply the second fraction with the 3 to make as like. Now you have to check 5 5s are first fraction, 5 5s are
20. 25.
So 3 5s are denominator.
15.
Very good. Next.
Ma'am, 33 by 15.
Wonderful. So is it like or unlike that?
Ma'am, it's like, so we can add.
Very good. Now we can do operations on this directly. So what is like fractions means just you are adding numerators. So
And
20,
keeping the denominator.
yeah, you're just keeping common denominator. 25 plus 33, how much that?
Ma'am, 58.
58, wonderful. 58 upon 15. So can you please convert this improper into mixed number, Nana?
Yes, ma'am. So ma'am, we have to divide 15 by 58.
Very good. 58 by 15 you need to divide. So 5 3s are 45.
Yes,
1 minute, Daksh. Yeah, please do that. 1 minute. I'll come back. Please complete the task.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Daksh, what answer you got?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I got the answer 313 by 15.
So 5 3s are 45. So if you subtract, this is 3 113. So 313 by 15. Very good, Nana. Good job. Go with second bit, Daksh. What is second bit I give as homework for you?
Yes, ma'am. The second bit you gave as homework for me. Wait a second.
10 2 by 3, right?
Yes, wait a second, ma'am.
I think so. 10 2 by 3.
Ma'am, it's 10 2 by 3 plus 20, 21 3 by 4.
Come on, Daksh. This is your task. Please start doing, Daksh.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
You are so lucky today. You can enjoy the day happily. One-to-one conversation today.
Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Daksh, what is the first fraction after conversion?
Ma'am,
Yeah, what is the first fraction after conversion into improper?
ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yeah, Daksh, what is the first fraction after converting into improper?
After converting into, ma'am, the 32 5 by 12.
Very good, 32 by 3. Then
Ma'am, 32 by 3 and what is that? 87 by 4.
87 by 4. Now, what is the LCM for 4 and 3 and 4?
Ma'am, 12.
Very good, 12. So, to make as a like, you need to multiply with 4 the first one, second one with 3.
3.
Yeah, please
Yes,
simplify and give the answer, Daksh.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is 261.
Yeah, after doing the complete part,
Ma'am, after doing the complete part, ma'am, it's this 32 by 3 is ma'am 128 by 12.
128 by 12 plus
Yes, ma'am. Plus ma'am 261 by 12.
very good. Then both if you combine 8 plus 1, 9, 6 plus 2, 8, 3, 389 by 12. Now do division and give answer in the chat box. Nana.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer for the division is ma'am, the, ma'am, the answer is
So
32
3s are
5 by 2.
12, 2s are
Ma'am,
24, 20.
ma'am, 32 5 by 12.
That's all, Nana. That's all. Can you do the remaining bits right now? What is the next question I gave you?
Ma'am, the next,
Subtraction. I
yes,
gave
ma'am.
it.
Subtract
Subtraction.
7 by 20 from 3 by 5.
Very good. You come on, start doing the sum, Nana. Subtraction.
Okay, ma'am.
7 by 12. So 3 by 5 minus 7 by 20. Come on, start doing.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I've got the answer. Ma'am,
Yeah, Daksh.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is LCM for 5 and 20?
Ma'am, the LCM for 5 and 20 is, ma'am, 5 multiplied by 4, 20.
Very good. So 5 table you have 20 will come. So directly the greater number is your LCM, smaller number is your HCF. Nana. By seeing only you can answer this. So 20, no need to change the second fraction. First fraction, what you're supposed to do? Denominator is 5 here. To make as it
Multiplied by 4.
multiplied by 4 on both sides. Very good. So 7 by 20. Yes, next 3 4s are 12. 12 by 20 minus 7 by 20. Second fraction, no need to change because already denominator is 20. Now both are like fractions. You need to subtract numerators 12 minus 7.
Ma'am, 5 by 20.
Very good. 5 by 20 again you need to reduce into. You can out. Who will out here? 5.
Ma'am, 1 by 4.
Very good. So 1 by 4 is the final answer. Any doubt here, Daksh? Daksh, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Right. Can you go with another next? What is the another example I gave for you?
Yes, ma'am. You gave this. Wait.
Yeah, again subtraction.
8 1 by 4 minus 2 5 by 6.
Very good. 8 1 by 4 minus 2 5 by 6. So here first convert mixed to improper, Nana. Convert mixed. What is the first fraction mixed to improper?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the first into
Just
improper.
multiply this
Yes, ma'am.
and add this. 8 4s are 32 plus 1 is?
Plus 1 third, ma'am, 33 by 4.
You are very good at concept, Nana. Please, the tables should be little perfect. So you can calculation part will be very fast when you are grown up. Because competitive examinations, you need speed, right, Daksh? But you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
very good at concept. Please practice the tables, Nana.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm practicing.
Yeah, every day. This is my word. Please remember as my word.
Yes,
Every day. If you know also, you can write 10 tables every day. That's mandatory. 10, at least 10 tables randomly, wherever you are asking, you be ready to give answer, right? Next, 6 2s are 12.
ma'am, 12. 12 plus 17. Ma'am, 17 by 6.
So now what are denominators, Nana? 4 and
4 and
6.
6.
So LCM of 4 and 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are. Now what is LCM? You just multiply all 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So first fraction denominator is 4, but you need to convert into 12. So to make as 12 denominator 4 means what?
4 multiplied by 3.
3. So both sides with 3 you suppose. Second fraction as 6. 6 we come 12 means 6 raised with 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, come on now 33. 3
Ma'am,
times
39.
9.
Ma'am, 99.
Very good. It's 12 minus 17 2s are
Ma'am, 17 twos are
34 కదా నాన్న 17 2s are
34.
7 2s are గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి నాన్న 7 2s are ఎంత 14 కదా సో
Yes, ma'am.
17 2s are 34 by 12 అందుకే టేబుల్స్ తెలిస్తే నువ్వే క్లాస్ లో ఫస్ట్ అందరు రిమైనింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ కంటే కూడా యూ బి ఫస్ట్ 99 minus 34
Ma'am, 99 minus 34. Ma'am, 6. Ma'am, 65.
very good it's 65 by 12
Yes, ma'am.
65 by 12 again you need to reduce into mixed number 12 5s are 16 Anna. 5 5 by 12 that's all. Any doubt here, Daksh? If you
No,
know
ma'am.
very well about this, you are very good. Because only fractions, decimals, integers are very, very important for senior classes.
Yeah.
If you have any doubts, please let me know. I'll help you. The last bit I gave as a homework, mixed operations I gave, I think so. 3 by
Yes, ma'am.
4
Then
minus,
3 by 4 minus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 8.
no, whatever homework I'm giving, please try that whenever you're free time, take my
Yes,
uh,
ma'am.
next. Here denominators are 4, 5, 8. So which table can I take here? Can we go with the 2 table? 2 2s are 2 5s are 2 4s are. Again, I'm going with 2 table. 2 1 5 2. I can stop over here. 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40. LCM is LCM ఎంత నాన్న?
Ma'am, it's 2.
40 కదా? 2 2s
Yes,
are
ma'am.
4, 5 2s are 10.
Yes,
10 into 4, 40. So first fraction 4. 4 means raised with the 40. How many times?
ma'am, 40 tens.
10 times, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So second fraction denominator is 5. 5 table, when you will get 40?
Ma'am,
5,
8.
5 8s are 40. So 8 you need to know. The next last fraction denominator is 8. 8 when it becomes 40,
Ma'am,
Nana?
5.
5. So 5 both. That's very good. Now come on, 3 tens are
Ma'am, 3 tens are 30 and 40. 30 by 40.
here minus 16 by
16 by 40.
40. Next 5 by
40.
Yeah, now you have to do addition first, Nana. According to Bodmer's rule, addition should be do
Then
first.
first.
So here this is positive, this is positive. So 30 plus 5, how much, Nana?
30 plus 5, ma'am, 35 by 40.
Oh, sorry, 35. Sorry, it's 35 by 40 minus 16 by 40. So here again 35 minus 16.
35 minus 16, ma'am, it's wait,
19 kada Nana?
19. Yes,
19
ma'am.
by 40. Like that, if many mixed operations are given, either addition, subtraction, combination also given, the same procedure. Daksh, any doubt, Nana? Any doubt, please let me know. I'll help you.
Ma'am, I don't have any.
Very good. Only speed should be increased. That's all. That's my advice. You are very good at concept. Speed should be increased. Next, shall we go with word problems today, Daksh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
First question, let me read. Listen the question carefully, Daksh. Deepa divided a watermelon into 16 equal parts. She gave 7 parts to her sister and 4 parts to her brother. So total Deepa divided into watermelon how many equal parts, Nana? 16 equal parts. In that she gave 7 parts to sister. That means 7 out of 16 she gave to sister. And brother, how much? 4 parts. 4 out of 16 she gave. And yeah, sister. What part did sister and brother eat between themselves? And what part of watermelon was left?
Ma'am, it's both sister and brother
Hmm.
8, 11 by 16.
Wonderful, wonderful.
And the parts, ma'am, the parts left were 5 out of 16.
Wonderful, Nana. 5 out of 16. Why? Because the total consideration is 16 out of 16. This is 4. From that 11 by 16 are consumed by both. It's nothing but leftover is 5 by 16. Good.
Yes.
That's all. Like that, can I read the question? Can you understand? Because if I'm writing question, it takes time, Nana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. Akash traveled to 1 by 3 kilometers by bus. By bus, Daksha traveled to 1 by 3 kilometers. And he walked to his aunt's house. Then he walked to aunt's house. If total distance traveled is total distance traveled is 3 by 4 kilometers. How much distance he how much distance did he walk? Daksh? Daksh, you are
Yes, ma'am.
traveling by bus to 1 by 3 kilometers. Remaining distance by walk you traveled. By walk, how much you traveled, I don't know. Remaining distance, but total distance you traveled together by bus and by walk, 3
Yes,
3
ma'am.
by 4 kilometers. My question to you, how much distance did you walk?
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, first we have to subtract the total distance and the bus distance.
Wonderful. You need to subtract total distance by traveled by bus. Very good.
Ma'am, then first we have to convert to improper.
Very good. Please do this and give the answer.
Ma'am, the improper form of 3 by 4 is, ma'am, wait. Ma'am, 15 by 4.
Yeah, 15 by 4 minus
And minus 7 by 3.
very good. Minus 7 by 3. Now both are alike or unlike, Nana?
Ma'am, both are like unlike.
So what we should do to make
Ma'am, we
answer?
have to LCM the denominators.
Very good. What is LCM of denominators?
Ma'am, the LCM of the denominators
3 and 4 are
12.
consecutive numbers, Nana. Directly you should multiply.
12. Yes, ma'am.
So first fraction denominator 4. 4 makes 12. 12 means you should multiply with the first fraction with
3.
3. Second fraction denominator is 3. To make as 12, you need to
4.
multiply 4. Then come on, please simplify. 5 3s are 40. 15 3s are 45 by 12 minus 28 by 12.
Yes.
48 minus 20. ఎంత నాన్న 28
Ma'am,
230.
ma'am, it's 17 by 12.
17 by 12 mixed number రాస్తే ఏమవుతుందన్న 12
Ma'am,
one.
17 by 12. Wait. 5. 1 5 by 12.
Right. This is the way even word problems also very simple. Dash.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Sudisha made 45 small cakes. She took 2/3 of them to school fair and give 1/5 of them to her neighbors. How many cakes were distributed? Can I repeat the question once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you can write how many cakes there were.
Total Sudisha made 45 cakes, Nana. In that, she took 2/3 of them, 2/3 of them, 2/3 of them to school friends. So the school or else to distribute it to school fair. School fair. We have food fair festivals, right, Ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And the 5th, yeah, and gave a 5th of them. 1 minute, Nana. And gave a 5th of them to her neighbors. 2/3 of them to school fair and gave 1/5 of them to neighbors. 1/5, Nana, 5th కాదు 1/5
Yes,
of,
ma'am.
yeah, 1/5 of them to
Neighbors.
neighbors.
So,
Our question is, how many cakes were distributed by Sudisha and how many were left with her?
yeah. Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, first we have to add 2 by 3 and 1 by 5.
Very good. You're supposed to add these two quantities. Very good. So what is the answer? Please add and give the answer, Nana.
Yes, ma'am. So, Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so the total she like
Hmm.
16 by 15.
No, no, 16, 13 by 15. No.
Right. Ma'am,
Yeah, is it 16 by 15 or 13 by 15? If you add these two.
ma'am, it should be 13 or 16. Wait, ma'am. Ma'am, so the LCM is 15, right, ma'am?
Very good. LCM is 15. Good job. So
Yes.
LCM 15. Correct, Nana. LCM is 15. Correct.
So, ma'am, then 1 by 5. So, ma'am, it's 3 by 15. Oh, ma'am, I wrote this 1 by 5, 2 by 5 by mistake.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, it's 13 by 15.
Very good. So 13 by 15 were distributed. She distributed this much. So how many cakes were left? Only you need to convert, Nana.
Yes,
How you
ma'am.
supposed to convert? So
Ma'am,
total 15, right?
yes,
But
ma'am.
your total is 45. So 45 by 15 means how many cakes? Each portion means 15 ones or 15 threes are. So
3.
3 cakes. Yes or no? 3
Yes,
cakes.
ma'am.
So already here 13 into 3. 13 into 3, how much ma? 13 threes are?
Ma'am, 13 threes are, ma'am, 39.
39 cakes were distributed. Out of 45, 39 were distributed. Means how many left with
Ma'am, 16 were left with her.
35, 39, 45, Nana. So 39 to 45 difference, Nana.
Ma'am,
45.
16.
16, only 6 kada, Nana.
Ma'am?
6 only, right? Not 16.
Oh. Yeah, yes. Ma'am.
Only 6 cakes were left after distribution. Now you understand this is the way that application part will be tested.
Yes.
And not only this, there are questions like Daksh, Yadharth, Drona, and Karthik go for a morning walk every day. And in Daksh covers the distance of 5 kilometers daily. Are you doing exercise regularly, Daksh?
Yeah. No, ma'am.
No, you are correct. Good boy. But don't every day physical exercise is very,
Yes,
very
ma'am. I run
important.
around a lot. In the evenings,
Please.
I play.
Yeah, please do that, Nana. Please do that. The power of exercise, a little later you will find out what how much metabolism will increases and how active you are. You are very active means your brain is also active. Your brain is active means you can actively learn the subjects too, right? There
Yes,
is
ma'am.
the interlink. These are all are interlinked one by one, chain link. So good health, good mind, good capturing, good recapitalization. These are connectivity things. So do regular exercise, at least 15 minutes or 10 minutes or 20 minutes. That's not a matter. Any 15 minutes. Because as a kids, you have a lot of energy, children. You can do. Yeah, this is here, Daksh, according to my question. Daksh walked 5 kilometers every day.
5
So,
kilometers.
5 kilometers. Whereas Ashwath covers 15 by 2 kilometers. Ashwath covers 15 by 2 kilometers. I'll write directly the smaller. Daksh traveled 5 kilometers. Ashwath traveled 15 by 2 kilometers. And Drona travels 13 by 3 kilometers. 13 by 3 kilometers. And Karthik traveled 29 by 6 kilometers daily. Who covers maximum distance? Who covers maximum distance. How we supposed to solve this sum, Daksh?
Ma'am,
We are going to compare, right?
yes, ma'am.
So how you supposed to compare these all?
Ma'am, ma'am, we make them like,
Very good. You make them as a like fractions. Very good. You make them as a like fractions. So first Daksha 5 by 1.
yes,
And 15 by 2. 13 by 3.
and 29 by 6.
That's all. 29 by 6. So all LCM is what, Nana? LCM is 6.
6.
So to make all as 6 means first fraction with the 6, second fraction with the 3, third fraction with the 2, last fraction already 6 is there,
Yes,
no need to say. 6 5s are 30 by 6, 5 3s are 45 by 6, 13 2s are 26 by 6, and 29 by 6. So who worked more now by comparing all these?
ma'am.
Sorry, just a minute. I gave wrong. Who worked more numerator? Whose numerator is more?
Ma'am, Ashwath work.
Right. Like that, we can compare the things. Yes, Daksha.
Yes,
This is the way. Please go through even in your textbook exercise sums. If you have any doubts, please let me know that.
ma'am.
These are the questions. We'll meet in next class. That's all for the day, Nana. Thank you.
Okay,
Have
ma'am.
a nice day.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye. Hey,